So this is an iPad 10.5 screen. We're going to be refurbishing the LCD. So this is the screen that's broken right here. We added some tape, that way it can stick to the hot plate better and it won't move. Before we started, we removed all the adhesive it had on the sides because that's gonna get on the way once we're working on it. We also removed the home button because we're not gonna be needing that right now. We want to make sure it's placed correctly on the heat plate, because if it's not, it's gonna be moving around and you're gonna have a harder time working with it. This is after we removed the piece of glass. Now we just have to clean it up, make sure there's no dust in it or anything, and then we'll be getting the other glass ready so we can install it. So we're going to be using this tool. This tool helps us remove all the residue that's left from the screen. And we're just going to keep doing this until we see it like this side right here. The glue that was on top, we're gonna be using this liquid right here, and that's gonna help us finish cleaning the LCD. So this liquid is called Goo Gone. It's gonna help us clean it all. And after we clean with this, we're gonna prepare the new glass that we're gonna be installing. Adding the ochre to the new glass, and then we can install it into the LCD. The ochre to the screen, we're gonna put it on this machine right here, that way it can take the bubbles away. Right here gives you two options. Gives you once you have the LCD with the glass, or once you're just adding the ochre with the glass. So right now we're in step 1. We're gonna go ahead and change that. And our vacuum time, we set it to 65, as well as our pressurized time. And that once that's set, we can go ahead and press the button. A little better, and this one should make all the bubbles go away. Looks like 0 bubbles. LCD is all cleaned up. Now we're gonna install the glass. Just have to put it under that machine again and it'll stick to the glass. That way it doesn't look like this. Since now we have the LCD with the glass, we're gonna head and move it to step 2. And instead of adding 65, we're gonna change it to 45. Alright, so right now it looks like this. We have to put it under the other machine, that way we can make all this go away. Now it's time to test it. Time to see if it worked. So this is all for this video. We finished the screen refurbishment. If you like our videos, like and subscribe.